to my channel. So as you can see, we have something new in the back. It's a pergola. So I found this, my sister-in-law and I found it at Aldi's. I couldn't believe it. We couldn't believe the price. $118. I think originally it started at $150, but they dropped down the price to $118, and they have tons. So $118, you have to question yourself, right? How good is this? How long is it gonna last? But I spoke to my husband. He's like, for $118, if it lasts 2 years, we're good. Which is true. These things are like $500 and more, starting at $500 and more. So look at that. It looks nice, very easy to build as long as you follow instructions. So yeah, obviously this is not a review. The only part I can review was easy to assemble. Me and my husband did it on our own, but it is better with 3 people or 4. But yeah, we did it on our own. But yeah, it was pretty good for $118. We were like, wow, yeah, this looks good. So yeah, that's it. That's my only, I can't tell you anything else because I just got it. So for you guys, succulent lovers that are watching my video for that purpose, I was thinking about what to put in here. I didn't put my palm trees because I don't know, they're kind of big, and then I have to worry about them getting taller, so I didn't do that. Hey guys, I'm finally done with the project underneath the pergola. Let me show you what it looks like. It's super cute. So let me talk to you about everything that I did. So I was looking for pots, and I wanted them to be tall. So I went to Home Depot, and their pots were pretty pricey, at least in my opinion. Because I do have so many pots, I didn't want to buy more pots, and like expensive ones, you know. So I was just like, I don't know what to do. So I even went to Lowe's and still didn't find what I was looking for, but I did find these plants at Lowe's. Super pretty. Look at those colors. Let me get off. They only like morning sun, not afternoon sun. I guess where it was at Lowe's, it was getting some sun. So right there, it's a really pretty plant. It's got really pretty unique colors. And then I went to Dollar General to go look for that same pot, or at least similar, and I found these. And look at how pretty those are. I still have some soil on them. I didn't wipe it down after I was done. But look. It like really complements the plant. I don't know, like fire. I don't know. That's what it reminds me of, fire a little bit. And then the lava rock too. Oh, look guys. Here's my old man. Oh, you got some, he gets food on the side of his mouth. Like this, so he can get it. He's 15, guys. I love him. I've had him since he was a baby. Since he was a pup. Oh, my little old man. Okay. I digress. Sorry, guys. So anyways. So these pots here were only $6.50. A pot like this, even plastic. Because Home Depot does carry decorative plastic. A little bit bigger. Or, no, I think about the same size. It's gonna be like $25. So yeah, this was $6.50. I'm like, oh yeah, and it's pretty thick. Let me show you. See the lip? It's not a thin one. It's pretty good. So I have the matching one over here. So yeah, I think that it's super cute. Oh, hi. What are you doing? You want attention? Maxie, hey, you say hi. You say hi. Silly doggy. So, back to this. Sorry, guys. Get distracted by the doggies. Next thing I did was, so this big pot here was always over there on the other side underneath the trees. So I figured I would move it over here and try to see if I liked it, and I do. The only thing I'm debating is whether if I'm leaving those succulents in there or not. So that's the only thing. Then this aloe was also under there on the other side. And yesterday I was feeling pretty lazy and unsure if I like the plant in this pot. So it's in a pot within a pot. This pot I got at Ross, really pretty. It's pretty big too. On clearance for $8. You got a haircut, huh? Ugh, they're like, they need to go inside. They're hovering. So that's that. And then I think I spoke to you guys about the table that I made. I made this table with these little plant, I don't know, like little plant stands. So I turned them into little side tables / plant stand holder. And so if I put wood in the middle like a triangle, it would be better. So if you wanted to make something like this, I would recommend putting the wooden triangle in the middle. I just ran out of wood, so I just left it like that. But I mean, I know to be careful with it. So anyways, that's that. And then let me show you guys over here. So this is another pot I got at Ross. It was also on clearance, but I can't remember how much it was. These sempervivums were on the other side of the fence where I have a lot of my propagation. That's where that was. And then I did find a pot at Dollar General. Did I say it was Dollar General? The other pot? I hope I did. So I got the pot, the matching pot from the other side at Dollar General. So here it is. And these I'd had forever also under the tree, but I've never replanted them. So finally I replanted them here. So yeah, I think they're gonna grow really nice. And then this aloe I had on the other side as well. And I brought it over here. So it does get, right now, there's shade under here for now. Then once the sun continues to go up and it comes on the other side, it'll come out here and hit it for a little bit as well. But it does get a decent amount of morning sun. As you guys can see, they're getting morning sun right now. And yeah, I really like this space. It's super cute. This is my trailing jade that I had inside, and as you can see, it doesn't grow the same. You can tell that it was growing in lower light, and it got a little burned because I just propped it out here without taking care of it from afternoon sun. So I just shifted over a little bit because it was getting too much sun from the afternoon, so I pushed it to the side. But I'll show you what that actually looks like, because you can see the spaces right between the leaves. Let me show you what it looks like when it's growing with good light. That's what it looks like. See, it's really gathered together and there's no spaces, so you see the difference. It's really pretty. I like the jade a lot. So yeah, all that's left to do is to just level the pergola and drill it down so that it stays put. And also I plan on spraying. I plan on spraying all the areas where water can gather with like a Rust-Oleum clear spray, and see if that helps. I'm not sure, so we'll see. This plant, I found it underneath the bushes in the front of my house, growing, because I used to have one up there, and that thing just started attaching to my house, and I had ripped it off because they were huge, the leaves, and yeah, they were messing my paint. So not so long ago when I was cleaning underneath the bushes over there, I found a little piece, so I took it out, stuck it in here, and it's growing. I think what I have intentions of doing is, I have different ones growing inside. I'm gonna take pieces and shove them in here like that. It's just like a variety of them growing and hanging down. So yeah, I'm in love with this pot here. I love this sedum. This is one of my favorite sedums. It's just, it just looks so lush. It does like water, guys. So if you have this, just water it once a week. It does like water, even twice. You could even water twice a week and it will still be happy. The cactus arrangement is doing really well so far. knock on wood. So yeah, this here was because it came with the fake flower and I pulled it, and yep, I did a little damage on there, but no big deal. And I've had this arboretus for quite a long time, and I just moved it over here. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It took me a long time to finish it, and I'm so sorry about that. But it's just really hot, and then I was waiting to find the right things. But yeah, now it's complete. Let me show you this one more thing. This beautiful planter that I had on the other side. I was looking at a table, looked already plain, so I put it over here, and I love the way this planter looks here. So pretty, and she can deal with, as long as they've been already acclimated, they can deal with afternoon sun. Since we're talking about this, before I let you go, I want to go ahead and show you the baskets on the fence, how they look after all the rain. Let me show you that. Look at them, how they look after all the rain. They look super happy and they look plump, but let me tell you, I honestly 100% believe that for succulents, if you live in an area where it rains a lot, root bound is the way to go. Because these plants here have been here for, I think, almost 3 years, 2 to 3 years. And I've never lost one to rot, ever. If anything, I just lose like a lot of dry leaves because they get so much sun. Look at these right here. These multiply like crazy. They grew so quickly. They look so much fuller. So yeah, and these are root bound. If I pull this out, it's going to be really tight and compact and just a really tough ball of soil. And I think that's one of the reasons these have done so well for me here. That's just my opinion on that. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And have a blessed day, guys. Bye.